What's your big idea when it comes to 2024?
It's REITs. I know it doesn't seem as sexy as technology and the Magnificent Seven, but if you look at what really led as we came off those October lows, it's REITs. They outperformed during this period with the pause before the rate cuts begin. And my best of breed right there is Prologis. It's one of the companies I absolutely love. They have what they call an irreplaceable portfolio of industrial properties they manage, over 1.2 billion square feet, 5,500 buildings, and they're just a fantastic position right now with multiple growth opportunities beyond just rates falling and helping them out.
Yeah, Prologis is one of those companies where pretty much everybody's a customer, from Amazon to Walmart, everybody else. Everybody else needs warehousing space. So give us a sense. When it comes to the story of REITs, how much is it the price action of the actual REITs, and then how much is it the dividends? A lot of these REITs pay some pretty substantial dividends.
Yeah, absolutely. It's twofold. They're 100% a total return vehicle, but they should get a lift. They should get a decent stock price lift like we saw in December, one of the leading sectors out there. But for me, it's also the growth opportunities. This isn't a stagnant portfolio. This is a very active company. Right now, they're targeting transitioning about 20 warehouses over the next 5 years into data centers, which helps their margins. That's about 15 to 20% more profitable. They see the growth opportunities there. They see the growth opportunities in clean energy. They're one of the leading largest solar producers because they're already working on making their warehouses green, and they're helping their customers that have to navigate a very complex regulatory environment by looking into clean energy, understanding what their carbon footprint is. And that's key in some of the states with huge ports like California. They have to be able to really have a handle on the carbon footprint for their customers. And then they're into mobility networks.
You know, Vicki, you're actually hitting on the other question I want to talk to you about, AI. So, I cover the transport space. A lot of those transport CEOs believe that AI is going to help their customers hold less inventory and put that inventory in more strategic places. So long term, when we look at REITs, is AI going to be a tailwind or a headwind as a lot of companies use AI to actually reduce the amount of inventory they're holding?
I actually see it as a tailwind for this company because they are already data centric, and where they hold their locations, their key ports, key logistics, and you cannot replace that location. Number two, we're seeing so much more being online versus brick and mortar. So yes, they're controlling inventory, but so much more right now is coming from online retailing, which is expected to continue to grow. So you're going to have continued warehousing needs and logistical needs. And while we do want just-in-time inventory, everybody saw during the pandemic that you really do have to have enough supplies on hand and not have these far-flung supply chains. And so I see AI as a net beneficiary for them beyond just the data center opportunity. They also utilize AI to make sure they do everything from where they should be developing, what buildings should be retrofitted, even how they write their leases and how they interact with customers. They're an AI-driven company, which I know sounds funny for a REIT to be like, it's an AI play,
Right.
but a little bit it is.
Your other pick for us is Welltower. This is interesting. It's another REIT, but it's in the healthcare space. So are you also bullish on healthcare? Do you see healthcare stocks and just growth in healthcare being a tailwind for this business?
I'm going to say something I don't think many millennials expected. I'm bullish on the baby boomers. That's what this is. We've got the baby boomer. They are retiring. The 65 plus is one of the fastest growing age populations. And I think so many baby boomers went through very difficult transitions with their parents that they're being extremely proactive about, okay, look, want to downsize my life, done with the yard, don't want to do maintenance. And they have all of these senior living communities. Welltower is super great with how they look to expand their portfolio of properties. So they're continuing to grow, and it's a very constrained growth rate considering the growth of the population. You haven't seen enough building in senior living, and they just, again, run their portfolio extremely well. So I think we're going to continue to see that population grow. So it's a little bit of like, as the aging population grows, Welltower is well positioned to pick up on the boomer play.